Hi, Thamagold. How are you doing today? I am Web Dev Aziz, your developer. Basically, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a PDF, your ebook or PDF file in the this product. Okay, so basically, this is the dummy products, and you can create easily on the backend on the WordPress backend. Once you going on the dashboard, okay, click on the products. Here you can see the add new button. Click on the add new button. Add your ebook name, which is you want. Okay. Add your product description here. Also add your short description of the product or ebook. Okay. So once you done it, so you can add your category, product category here. Also you can mention your product or ebook tags. Okay, you can also add your product image and product image gallery, which is ebook image and ebook gallery. Okay, and also you can just click on the downloadable product and add your product regular price and sale price ebook. Okay, once you add your product sale price or regular price, like, sorry, once you add your ebook regular price or sale price, so you can add your file name here or add your ebook file name here and add your url of the pdf, upload your pdf on here, and publish the product. Once you publish the product, so user can buy this product and proceed to checkout. Then after purchasing the product, this product will be showing on my account page on downloads. Okay, so this is the simple and easy way to you can add your ebooks on your product. Okay, so basically this work uh, is done based on WooCommerce plugin. Okay, so you can watch and let me know update. Thank you.